Let's catch him. We're gonna get you. They're on him. He got you. Come on. Come on. Jump the creek. Jump the creek. Go jump the creek for me. Jump the creek. That's my boy. Go jump it again. Jump the creek. Jump. Jump the creek, boy. He thinks I'm going to take off on him. Jump the creek, Bruno. I'm not going to ride away. Jump the creek. See, he's waiting for it. What I've been doing is, as soon as I tell him to jump it, I take off on the bike. But he's wising up to it. These dogs are smart. Jump the creek. Jump the creek, boy. Come on, buddy, jump the creek. Jump the creek. And he's been barking, too. He gets so excited that we're riding the bike, he starts barking. And here it is, 4:30 in the morning. He's barking up a storm. Jump the creek, one more time. Jump it. He ain't trusting it. He's like, no, you're gonna take off. And I sure was. I did it to him twice. And then he was real hip. This is a good bike right here. Bikelon Z. Gift to gas. Gas to give. I'm just taking him out on his morning neighborhood strolls. Take care, folks.